Let's read, students. Page 24, third paragraph. When a mystery is too overpowering, one dare not disobey. Absurd as it might seem to me, 1,000 miles from any human habitation and in danger of death, I took out of my pocket a sheet of paper and my fountain pen. But then I remembered how my studies had been concentrated on geography, history, arithmetic, and grammar. And I told the little chap, a little crossly too, that I did not know how to draw. The explanation goes like, the little prince was asking the writer to draw him a sheep. But how could he draw? So the writer took one page and a fountain pen out of his pocket and was in all mood to draw because it was too mysterious a situation for him. He was figuring out where did the child come from. Secondly, he was shocked that the child is not at all feared, thirsty, hungry in the scorching sun. So he could not disobey him. He had to draw. Then he remembered that how could he draw? He was not a painter because his elders had taken away his painting career from him and gave him the books of geography, history, grammar, and so he read. So, how could he draw? Let's read further. That doesn't matter. Draw me a sheep. But I had never drawn a sheep, so I drew for him one of the two pictures I had drawn so often. It was that of the boa constrictor from the outside. I was astounded to hear the little fellow greet it with, "No, no, no, no. I don't want an elephant inside a boa constrictor. Boa constrictor is a very dangerous creature." Let me tell you one thing, students. Creature, it's not creature, it's creature. A is silent over here. The writer knew only one picture which he had been drawing very often, and that is of boa constrictor from outside. So he drew, and to his surprise, the little fellow at once recognized that it was a boa constrictor. The writer got shocked because he had been drawing this picture and no one in his elders could recognize ever. And this little prince, he recognized the picture at once. It was of boa constrictor. And he said immediately, "No, no, no, I don't want an elephant inside a boa constrictor. It's a very dangerous creature." This little prince knew all the writer had known in his childhood. A boa constrictor is a very dangerous creature and an elephant is very cumbersome. Dear students, cumbersome means large, heavy, which finds it very difficult to walk because of its weight. So, the little prince did not want any boa constrictor or any elephant inside a boa constrictor because he had recognized this painting in a quick glance. Let's read the last line. Where I live, everything is very small. What I need is a sheep. Draw me a sheep. So then I made a drawing. Now, the little prince was adamant that he wanted a sheep only to be drawn because where he lived, everything was very small. Elephant could not fit in there, and boa constrictor was a very dangerous animal, so he did not want that either. So he wanted a sheep only. And the writer had to draw, so he made a drawing of sheep. And it looked like the drawing shown on the page.